Hi, my name is Lee Arnold, and I am the CEO of Secured Investment Corp, which is a company that is based on all things loans to real estate investors, all things education for real estate investors, and all things access to capital so that real estate investors can buy more real estate in more places with less of their own capital, therefore increasing their own cash flow or income. To help us do that, we have several divisions here at Secured Investment Corp. One being the Lee Arnold system of real estate investing. Now, the Lee Arnold system of real estate investing are things that in my own personal career I have utilized over the last 2 decades to acquire and amass as much real estate as possible. Now, we've taken those concepts and those strategies and we've put them in easy to follow, instructional type, both CDs, videos, as well as booklets and curriculum that will help anybody at any level get involved in real estate and be able to achieve the successes. Now, the reason that the Lee Arnold system of real estate investing is so successful is we will train you how to find the types of deals that fit perfectly into our funding arm, which is Kogo Capital, the private money company. Now, Kogo Capital was developed simply to service the real estate investor community, knowing that as an investor myself, big banks, private equity, institutional capital was not finding its way to the mom and pop investor, the guy that wants to buy, fix, and sell 3 or 4 homes a year, or the person that wants to scale and take it to maybe 10 or 20 homes per year, or the person that wants to go into the commercial arena and be buying dilapidated commercial properties, fixing them up, cleaning them up, multifamily residential where we're going in and we're changing out the tenant mix and we're cleaning up that property and we're making it more stable through better tenants, through higher rents, all through access to capital, and that's what Kogo Capital provides. So by taking the education side of the business and pairing them together with the funding side of the business, what we have created is a one-stop shop for the real estate investor, i.e. you, regardless of where you currently reside, regardless of your background, regardless of your college status, whether or not you have ever made $100,000 or more. None of that matters. In fact, we don't even care if you have money to put down on real estate, because through the Lee Arnold system of real estate investment, we will teach you how to find the types of properties that you can literally get into that require little to no money down. And in some cases, we can even have you get cash back at closing, or we can escrow funds for all of your renovation and repair. Now, under the Secured Investment Corp model, obviously, access to big dollars and large sums of capital are important for us to be able to continue to service you, the private investor across the country. Now, to that end, one of the things that we have done is we have been courting various Wall Street firms for many, many years, and in that courting process, they have told us numerous times, Lee, we love your company, we love your product, we love your system. What we don't love is the volume that your company is producing, meaning they want us to be doing and moving more capital. In fact, several years ago, I was out meeting with Fortress, which is a large capital company, about $59 billion under management. And when I showed them what we were doing, they said, Lee, we love it. Call us when you're moving $40 million a month. Now, I don't know what you guys know about money, but to move $40 million a month means that we need to have thousands of investors through which we can distribute and deploy that volume of capital to and through. Now, our hope for you is to train you the right types of deals, ensure that you achieve profitability every single time you go into and come out of a transaction, so that we can continue to feed you loans over the next year, the next 5 years, the next 10 years, the next 20 years, however long you intend to be investing. So my promise to you, if you will simply come into our family of companies, allow us to teach you, to train you, to mold you, we will show you the exact properties we need you pursuing. We will show you how you gain access to the capital that we have available for you, and we will do it again and again and again as often as you need it so that you can achieve the success that you and your family ultimately deserve and ultimately desire. We are a one-stop shop here at Secured Investment Corp, and we sincerely hope that you will join us in our mission to be the premier nationwide leader in lending to real estate investors nationwide. I'll see you at the top.